Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the React Native. So today we are going to implement the searching using the search by filter in flat list view. Okay, so here you can see that we have the list of all the data, and here I'm going to filter. You can see, and I will use NESCIUNT. Then we go with Q. So one record is there. When I click on that, alert id is 5, so on the behalf of it you can do the process. So how we are going to do that in the React Native, so let's have a look that. So here you can see that we have the React use state and the use effect. Okay, then we have the const app search and the set search filter data source and set filter data source master data source and the set master data source. So when we fetch the API, okay, so we will get that into the set filter data source response data and the set master source, both we have set that. Okay, next we have the search filter function. Okay, so what it does, whatever the text you are getting in over here, it will check filter the item, the title with the title to uppercase. Okay, and if it returns, then it return that index. Okay, and set that data into the set filter data source and set search text, else it will go with the master data source. Okay, we are set the filter data source with the master data source. So what exactly we have done in the filter section, obvious that we have the list of all the data, all the, when we hit the API we have set all the data into the one variable, right? Then we are just searching from that master data source, filtering that one, the item that we are sending, the text we are want to search into that one. If it is matching, then it return that index item. Otherwise we will set that the master data source and set the text search. Okay, so after that, then we have the, this is the flat list item, this is separator, then we have the item, then this is the flat list. Okay, so here we have the flat list. First, this is the input search box, so whatever the value you want to search you can search. And here we have the filter data source that is coming into the that one, and the key extractor, item separator, and the render item in the item view. Okay, so this is the full-fledged code for implementing the searching search in flat list. Okay, so any doubt, any query in that, let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.